to my channel. So if you are new on this channel, my name is Hertty Kem. I am a makeup artist in real life and also on YouTube. So if you'd like to embark on this journey here on YouTube with me, please don't forget to give my video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, share my video, and be part of my journey here on YouTube. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So I have already done one eye off camera. Let's jump right into this eye and I will show you guys how I achieve this eye look or eye makeup. Unless you are new on this channel, this has always been my go-to concealer for my eyeshadow base. And then I'll go in with my Nyx palette. Now we use that as my transition color. Then I'll go in with my Anastasia palette, Modern Renaissance, and I'll use the shade Regular. If you have one, you can use it as well. And to cast my crease, I'm going to use Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define in C5. And I did some color correct off camera, so what I will do is to continue with my color correcting, and afterwards I'll put my lashes on and get back to you. And the foundation that I'll be using is from L'Oreal. And the concealer that I'll be using is also from L'Oreal. And to set my whole face, I'm going to use benign banana powder. I'm going to set my whole face with it. And what I like to do personally is to use the same brush that I used to bronze my face to sweep off my powder. You see what I mean? And to set my whole face, I'm going to use NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray.